Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Adobe Premiere Pro. You're going to click onto this first link from adobe.com, and then here you're just going to click free trial on here. After that, you're going to select your method, click continue. Then you're going to select your plan here. After that, just click continue. And once you're done selecting your plan, here you're going to select your subscription. After that, you're just going to click continue. And here you're going to put in your credit card's number, your expiry month along with the year. You're going to put in your security code here, and then you're going to put in your first and your last name. After that, you're just going to select your country and click start free trial here. And once you do that, then you can go ahead and download Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.